Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review, written by one of our valued customers. This is one of our favorite reviews that we've been given. We love hearing we're doing a great job as we work very hard for all of our customers, providing the best service possible and listening carefully to our customers' needs. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.